Hi guys, I'm Abhinav and I'm at Speedmonks Performance Centre once again after a gap of 2 months, and behind me is a Triumph Rocket 3, the new model, the 2500cc motorcycle. And what are we doing on this bike today? Well, Gilles, the owner of Speedmonks, he will tell us all about it. Hi Gilles,
Hi, Abhinav.
back after 2 months.
Oh yeah, nice to see you.
Nice to see you too.
So today is a very special day. First because I'm coming here after like almost 2 months because of the lockdown, and in fact the bike has come after a very long time. The main reason that we are here today is to change the exhaust on this bike. We are going to change the slip-on to a Zard slip-on. It's going to be the first Zard on a Rocket 3 in India. In fact, it's going to be the first Zard slip-on in black finish for the Rocket 3 in India.
Gilles, Zard is what country?
Zard is an Italian brand. It's a very premium brand. It's considered to be one of the most expensive exhausts. They are very well known because they also make OEM exhaust for cars like Lamborghinis, Ferraris, etc. And we have just become their distributors.
Congratulations.
Thanks. So the exhaust that we are putting on this is a slip-on. Like the stock exhaust is on both the sides.
So again, basics, inline, triple engine,
Inline.
3 pipes come out, 2 are over here. By the way, the camera is being operated by Srinivas Ganesh. Some of you definitely know him. And then we have 1 pipe over here. Alright, so Gilles, the new exhaust, the slip-on, it's going to come in and...
So we are not changing the pipes. Those
Yeah,
are
the headers
we
are
not
going to be
changing.
the
It's
same.
just going to be a slip-on. The Zard slip-on is going to be only on the right side, only on this side. The main reason that we are changing the exhaust is it's giving a BHP bump of 3, around 3 BHP, and a massive weight reduction of around 7 kgs.
Right. Now this is a very powerful bike, it doesn't really need more power, but it looks nice, it sounds nice.
It does.
On a power cruiser, I mean that's what's more important than gaining outright power.
The slip-on also comes with 2 removable DB killers. I'm sure no one is going to use it. And a very excellent carbon finished end tips, and Mr. Ritesh, the owner of this bike,
Hi Ritesh.
he also opted to get 3 carbon heat shields on this side. So he is Ritesh, he's a very old customer of ours. He has in fact become a friend of mine now. He started coming here when he used to have a Z800 and now the Rocket 3.
Right. So Gilles, let's show them the exhaust.
Sure.
I think it's somewhere over here. Alright, so matte black finish, carbon fiber tip, and it's got this, Zard logo.
laser
on top.
etching.
Yeah, laser etching.
We have already removed the DB killers, and the connecting pipe also is going to be all black.
Okay.
So it comes in 2 finishes. One is brushed SS finish, and one is this black.
So the brushed SS is going to look like this, quite like this.
Exactly like this.
Okay.
So it's going to replace this exhaust and come right here. In
Nice.
fact, if you notice, the curvature is going to match the wheel.
Oh, nice. Alright, and does it feel heavy to hold?
Not at all.
2.5,
I think so.
maybe something like that. So pretty light exhaust. Now let's take a listen to the
Sure.
stock motorcycle. Ritesh, your bike. Try, please turn it on. That's how she sounds at idle, right? It's time to call Atul in now
Yeah, definitely.
and start stripping this exhaust out and putting the Zard one on.
Definitely.
Now we have Atul over here. He is the technical head at Speedmonks. You probably definitely do know who Atul is. And now Atul is going to take off this slip-on and put the Zard exhaust on. The stock exhaust. is off the motorcycle now. Now if we take a close look at this exhaust, it's got two outlets over here and one over there. So I was earlier thinking that, probably two pipes, they come over here and separately one goes over there, but it's just one whole unit, this thing. So let's do a size comparison. I mean, the Zard is just this much compared to the monstrosity that this thing is. It's just huge, massive. Atul just installed this mid pipe. It runs from connects the headers over here, and then there's a little bend over here, and it ends where this catcon sits inside the mid pipe. And then there is this bracket that has been installed which will hold the exhaust in place. Now Atul will install the final end can. And now the mounts will, I don't know if you guys can see the back plate from here, but this is where the bolts will go. The installation is complete now. The end can is on the motorcycle. It also comes with this carbon fiber shield which hides all the bolts and
for both the sides.
For both the sides. So if Gilles, you were telling us that it sort of aligns with the rim.
Yeah, see the curvature of the rim and the end tip is pretty similar.
Yeah.
It looks like a part of the bike. It flows with the
Yeah,
bike.
it flows very well with the bike. And the carbon shield is also on the other side. So if the camera comes here, earlier there was the exhaust was sitting over here as well, one outlet. But now, since this part is empty, so this exhaust comes with this carbon shield. But that's not all.
It comes with two removable DV killers also.
These are the DV killers that were a part of the package, which are not being used. And then, Gilles, these three carbon heat shields.
These are optional purchase. These three, they do not come with the exhaust. You can buy them separately.
Okay. Shall we start her up now?
Sure. I would request Ritesh.
Ritesh, please. I think you'll have to press the clutch.
So this is the first time.
First start, we haven't done it so far. What is the smoke?
So the smoke is there because the oil, the lubricants that we use.
Oh, to seal it.
Yeah.
Okay.
So once it burns off, the smoke will disappear.
Ritesh, first, what do you think? कैसी लगी ये लुक कैसी है इसकी?
बहुत प्यारी
और साउंड?
बहुत अच्छा, ज़्यादा लाउड नहीं है, मतलब ट्यूनिंग के हिसाब से मेरे को चाहिए था और उस हिसाब से बहुत बेस्ट
है ना?
See, the sound will deepen a bit.
Yeah.
Once
when the carbon deposits in the exhaust.
So that takes around like what, couple of hundred kilometers.
Yeah.
300-400 kilometers.
Yeah. It'll just become richer, slightly deeper at the end of the day. Acha, it's a nice looking exhaust. Okay, for guys who want to know the price of this exhaust and the heat shields which come separately, I do not know the price. Gilles Baji knows the price. I'm gonna leave his number flashing on the screen. Send him a message if you want an exhaust or want some work done on your motorcycle. Contact Gilles Baji. His name is Gilles. I call him Gilles Baji. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a nice day.